Engineers integrating display assemblies that need EMI shielding require materials that deliver high shielding effectiveness and can be applied without impacting the visibility of the display. Panasonic Industrial Devices transparent conductive film, available from Mouser Electronics, has a transparent PET film substrate and uses Panasonic's proprietary microfabrication technology to create a unique mesh pattern of 2.4 micron wide copper lines with an average pitch of 85 microns that is practically invisible to the user. A pre-applied optical clear adhesive ensures convenient and clean installation. With a total thickness of just 103.5 microns, the thin, lightweight, and flexible film provides design freedom while delivering a low 2.6 ohms per square max sheet resistance, providing high shielding effectiveness from 100 kHz to 40 GHz without the visual degradation of conventional grid-type metal meshes.